Have you ever tasted delicious chana chowmein? Yes, you heard me right. Today's menu is a special chana chowmein. First of all, you need to boil the chowmein. While you wait for the chowmein to get boiled, let's cut some ingredients. Some necessary ingredients are onion.
I am cutting the onions into small pieces.
Small spicy green chilies. Cut them into small pieces. And some cabbage, a fresh cabbage. Slice them into very thin portions so that it can get cooked so easily.
It is not necessary to be equipped with everything. You can always improvise things like this.
Add some ginger and garlic. Then mix all the ingredients from earlier and fry it. Like I am doing right now, as you can see. You need to add chana onto those fries and let it get fried more. This is not the end. You need to drain out those waters from the chowmein that you have boiled from. At last, mix those mixtures from the ingredients and chowmein together and you get your chana chowmein. Ta-da! Yeah, that's me eating. It was yummy and delicious.